alarm. This is not, consequence of HOP. I have to understand.
Okay. Okay.
This consequence is not taking action on alarm. This is
Okay.
not consequence of HOP.
Okay. So now here, this all, if this alarm comes, okay,
Hmm.
operator
Hmm.
didn't act for the within immediate 0 to
Hmm.
5 minutes. So
No
we have
problem.
the hips that is have the safety function. Correct?
Correct.
No.
Correct.
Correct. No.
Then
So this is my question is that whether it is a pre-alarm to the hips or it is a trip alarm.
now you can ask the wrong and this process guy.
No, it
No,
PND this
LAL is a pre-alarm.
pre-alarm.
Right?
Oh, okay.
This is not a trip.
It is true, but sometimes we consider the pre-alarm as one RPL. That means this pre-alarm is very important.
Yeah,
And
correct.
if this pre-alarm is not considered as one RPL in the civil action, that means this pre-alarm is not so important. So
Yeah.
we can differentiate and consider different accordingly to consider different severity. I think it's not this.
This severity likelihood, and this is purely on alarm basis. But yes, we can go and revisit the HOP to get some idea what was discussed and what is the line of discussion. But this is, if you are not taking action on alarm, then only you can say high, low, medium. You cannot simply copy the HOP, severity and probability.
Okay, that's why we are assessing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, let us go in this direction. Probably for LOPC cases, we will put, HOP action. For other cases,
No,
non-SSC cases.
my question is that, for example, in the entire plant, all the trips before have the pre-alarm. So pre-alarm means, okay, you're telling that I already have the trip, correct? Already have the trip in all the functions. I have the SDV in all the functions. So all the pre-alarms will be considered as a less priority.
Not like this.
Yeah.
Our answer should be like this, and question should be like this. If I get alarm, and if I do not act on the alarm, what will be the severity?
This I'm telling you. In all the pre-alarms, if you didn't act, I have the protection. I either my SDV will close, my pump will stop. So I have the protection. That means all the pre-alarms will be low priority.
Yes, of course.
No, it's not correct. It's not correct.
So
if this pre-alarm is one RPL,
no. You should not decide. You should not decide based upon the safeguard available. No, it's not correct. Whether
no.
You have to see the consequence and severity only. Again, if operator didn't act for this alarm, what will be the effect?